This is a 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Mia Max Automotive for letting us use the car today to film the videos. Check out the link in description for the entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Open the rear left door. Now once the door is open, right there, that's where the switch is. See, there's even a symbol on it that marks the unlock and lock. Unlock is on top, lock is on the bottom. So simply push it down like that to lock. Now the door lock is activated. Let's go inside the car and try it out and see if it actually works. Once the door is closed now, I should not be able to open it from inside no matter what I do. Let's try with the switch. I cannot open it. What about the handle here? Nope, no matter what I do, I cannot open it. The only way I can open the door now is from the outside. So because the windows roll down, I can reach outside and open the door. Now let's switch this position back to the unlock position. Just like that, you gotta push it up. It's unlocked. Now let's close the door and let's see if we can now open the door from inside. Now that is locked, so you can't open it. Makes sense. And now I can open it, so that is good. It's working. Let's try it out with the right side door now, which is the exact same process, same position of the switch, same everything. Push it down to lock it and then push it up to unlock it. And that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful.